Hello friends, welcome to CSS video tutorial series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss CSS not pseudo class or CSS negation pseudo class. This is the syntax of using not pseudo class selector. We write a selector, then we write a colon, then we write not pseudo class. It accepts an argument. This argument can be any other selector. In flower bracket, we write declaration list. What this syntax helps us to do, it helps us to select any HTML element targeted by the selector if it does not match the argument passed to not pseudo class. Here I have an example. You can see I am writing P. P indicates the tag selector, right? Colon indicates pseudo class. Then not is the pseudo class name. In pair of brackets, I have written dot first. Dot first is a class selector. We know that we are passing as an argument. In flower bracket, we have bordered 2px dotted blue. What this code does, it selects any p element on the page if it has no class attribute value set to first. Let's see the demonstration. Here I have default.html page with the basic HTML document structure. Title is set to CSS not pseudo class selector. I have already opened the default.html in the Firefox. You can see the title is set to CSS not pseudo class selector. I go to Notepad. Here in the body section, I create one paragraph. I say paragraph text closing P. This is going to be first paragraph text. I am going to copy this, paste it down. This is going to be second paragraph text. Here I use a class attribute, value I set first. Here I use a class attribute, value I set second. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that first paragraph text got displayed, second paragraph text got displayed. In the head section, I am going to use the style tag type equal to text or CSS. Then I say here closing style. Here I say locate any paragraph if it is not having a class attribute value set to first. Then to that paragraph you have to apply the border of 2px dotted blue. You can see that this paragraph has no class attribute value set to first. Hence, it is going to have the dotted blue border. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that the second paragraph text has the border 2px dotted blue. If I change here to second, file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that the first paragraph has the dotted blue border which has no class attribute value set to second. It is actually first. I hope you guys have clearly understood. Let's see one more example. Here I have written input colon not. In brackets you can see I am writing colon disabled. Colon disabled is another pseudo class. In flower bracket we have border 2px dotted blue. What this code does, it selects any input element if it is not disabled. Let's see the demonstration. Just below this paragraph, I am going to create one input element. Type I set to text. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that one input field created which is enabled where we can enter the data. Here I say br, to break I am using. Below that I am saying input type equal to text. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that one more text field created. It is also enabled. Let me make the text box disabled by using the disabled attribute. File, save, go to browser and refresh. Now the second text field is disabled. I cannot enter any text there. Here I am going to say locate any input element if it is not disabled. So I use colon disabled. Here in flower brackets I say border of 2px dotted green color semicolon. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that the text box which is enabled, which is actually not disabled, has the green border. That is how you can use the not pseudo class or negation pseudo class. To that we can pass any other selector. Either you can pass a class selector, ID selector, tag selector, whatever you want. So here if I change it to enabled, file, save, I am telling to the browser locate any input element if it is not enabled. So this is disabled. That means it is not enabled. So it is going to have 2px dotted green border. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that not enabled text field has the green border. That is how you can use the negation. Negation means not, right? I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand clearly. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.